Lesson 2.10, length, introducing formal measurements. So today we're going to use meter. What is the length of the fish tank you're selling? It's about 9 end spans. Sometimes people use length of their body to describe the length of an object. What problems might this create? Well, there are so many things it might create. It will not be exactly the same that people assume it to be. So what are some other units used to measure length that you know? We have units like centimeter, meter, and so on and so forth. So now let's take a look at the workout. Number one, think about the length of each of these objects. Then circle the object that is about 1 meter long. Book is not up to 1 meter, so that will not be circled. Pencil case, nope. Teacher's desk can be up to 1 meter long. So we can circle the teacher's desk. A shoe, nope. A bus is way longer than 1 meter. Basketball court is way longer than 1 meter. So the only object that is about 1 meter long is the teacher's desk. List classroom objects that are about 1 meter in length. Then use your meter ruler to check if each object is more than or less than 1 meter. So I want you to write objects in the classroom that you think are about 1 meter or more than or less than 1 meter. Write 4 more objects here and write more or less. Write more or less, depending on what you think. There is no wrong answer. Number 3, then use the result from question 2 to complete each statement, each sentence. So let's think of objects in the classroom that is more or less. Objects in the classrooms include whiteboard, desk, what else? Computer, what else? Air conditioner. So whiteboard, is it more or less? Whiteboard is more than 1 meter. Desk is less than 1 meter. Computer is less than 1 meter. Air condition is more. So number 3, the whiteboard which one is about 1 meter in length? You can say The computer. Then which one is less than 1 meter? Desk. More than 1 meter in length? Whiteboard. Now for the fast finishers. Find and record 2 objects in your classroom or school to match each length. So any object that is between 1 meter and 2 meter, that is more than 1 meter but less than 2. Write the object here. I want the student to do this part themselves. Then object that is between 2 meters and 3 meters. That means more than 2 meters but less than 3 meters long. Write your objects here. Now let's go on to practice 2.10. Number 1, think about the length of each object. Write more than, less than, or about a meter for each object. Part A, car. The car is more than. So we write more than. More than 1 meter. Door. About. It's about a meter. Playground. More than. Computer. Less than. Pool. More than. Hammer is less than. Doll height, less than. And the library is more than. Number 2. Draw a line from each length to its possible measurements. A meter ruler is 1 meter. Width of school hallway, it's about 2 meters. Width of a basketball court, where you play basketball, it's about 15 meters because it's way big. There you have it. Number 3, use a 1 meter length of string or ruler to measure these rooms. So my bedroom is about 40 meters long. Thirty meters wide. The kitchen is about 10 meters long, and the kitchen is about 15 meters wide. Your answer may vary here depending on your bedroom and your kitchen. There you have it, folks. Compare your answer to my answer and do the necessary correction.